Stock Exchange Limited, and my colleague Effiong Ekop is with us at this point. Thank you so much for coming.
Thank you, Rick.
So tell us now, what closed positively in the market and what's the condition on the trading floor?
The market has maintained its bullish run that started before Christmas. And I believe it will be like this for the next 2 months, you understand? Because the expectation that we see the report cards of the banks that ended the yearly business in December, that alone is driving, force of, purchases in the market. Then again, the expectation that many of the banks, they are already moving forward to crossing the Rubicon for recapitalization.
Yeah.
So this great expectation is that by the time the banks put in all of this and get certification from the CBN, likely the prices will, hit the rooftop. And so people are taking positions now in order to reap that kind of benefit. Back to the trading of today, we see MTN, taking a very strong position from the telecom sector, leading other gainers with as much as 10%. And that has even shot the unit price of MTN above 600, per unit. You understand? So opportunities exist there. And we have also seen great attention going to insurance stocks. Something is also happening in the sector. They too are recapitalizing, but silently, you understand, as given by their regulators. So you see that there will be revolution in the financial market when the banks now have huge funds in their vaults, and then insurance also moving. I think that we will see the growth, especially in the financial subsector. Like Dr. Ibo has said, we expect that the banks, when they have these huge funds, and when they go funding businesses, especially the small-scale businesses, they should think about, interest rates, which is the major issue that businesses are, complaining now.
Right. Okay, so you talked about banking recapitalization now. What are we expecting quickly? Because we have to go.
We are expecting super mega banks. Already about 6-7 of them are mega banks. So with this, they will even go further. And we've seen many of Nigerian banks looking off the shore of Nigeria. And so they will do move. For instance, a bank like UBA is having footprints in more than 20 African nations. So with huge funds, we expect UBA to even go further, maybe cover the entire countries in Africa and then move in. So many things will happen propelled by the huge funds that will be coming from the financial market.
All right, market editor Effiong Ekop, thank you so much for talking to us.
It's a pleasure.
Thank you so much. Yes, that's it on Business Nigeria. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Theophilus Ilama. The World Now comes up next. Stay tuned.